So welcome to the TSSM and JSPM group of institutes. Today we are going to discuss the perspective drawing in the subject of building technology and architectural planning. Generally, perspective, if you are going to define a perspective, perspective is nothing but the view which is observed by observer. As per his position, the view will vary. So if I am saying that this is the object in which we have to draw perspective, so in exam also you will be having the idea that the plan is given by in the question, and also the elevation is given in the question, so that you will know the height of the object also. Okay. Now, while starting drawing of the perspective, you need to draw a picture plane horizontal line. So this is called as picture plane, and the object need to be inclined 30 degree to the picture plane, and it is drawn at an angle of 30 degree to the picture plane. Okay, so this plan is already ready-made given to you. Only you have to draw picture plane horizontal line, and you have to incline the plan on the picture plane, touching the picture plane at some point O. Okay, then you have to mark the position of station point. This is nothing but the station point. This position is also given in the picture question of the perspective drawing. This perspective drawing question will be also indicating that the station point is located at some distance below the picture plane. Okay, so that station point is located as per the details given in the question. So in this particular drawing, if the station point is located here, next step is draw all the angular points. These are the angular points of your object. So you can simply see that these are the angular points. Draw the angular points of the object and trace them towards the station point. And after tracing them, you have to mark the position on the picture plane. So you have marked the position on the picture plane. After marking the position on the picture plane, you have to draw vertical projections of the same line, of the same points up to the ground level. So this is the ground level line. Okay, so in that you can talk about the projections which are reaching towards the ground level. Next step is, from the station point, draw parallel line cutting the picture plane parallel line to the sides of the plan. So this is the parallel line to the sides of the plan. So this is parallel to this line, and this edge is parallel to this line. Okay, and the point at which it is cutting to the picture plane, from that point you will draw a vertical projections towards the ground line. Okay, it is clear up till now. So we'll go ahead. After drawing the vertical projection from these 2 points, we will mark the position of the vanishing points as per the question requirement, and the main O point which is touching the picture plane, it is located here. And we can simply observe that the height is given in the problem. Okay, so height is given in the problem that we can consider in the same point. So this is the first edge and the original height which the observer can observe from this point. Okay, so this is the actual height of the object. Okay, now from this vanishing point, trace the line towards the O point and mark the height of the object like this. Okay, and similarly from this point, this is the edge, bottom edge of your object. So this is automatically obtained when you are tracing the vanishing point left and vanishing point R to the point O. Mark the height of the object here also and join the vanishing point with the height of the object. Okay, so automatically you will get the projection if you are tracing them down. So the object shape will look like you are observing the object from this particular position, and you will find the first step, second step, third step, and the final view of that particular object. So in this way you have to draw a 2-point perspective of a given object in your full imperial size sheet. Thank you.